In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CSAT survey feature in Jira Service Management. We'll walk through the full process of turning customer satisfaction surveys on, customizing the question your customers see, sending a survey through a resolved request, and then reviewing the results inside your service project. This feature is useful if you want a simple way to measure how customers feel about the support they received and spot trends over time. To get started, open your Jira Service Management project. Once you're inside the correct project, go to Project Settings. In some newer Jira interfaces, this may appear as space settings, so don't worry if the label looks slightly different. From there, open Request Management and then select Customer Satisfaction. This is the area where CSAT surveys are managed. Next, look for the setting called Collect Customer Satisfaction Feedback. Turn this option on and then save your changes. In many new service projects, customer satisfaction surveys are already enabled by default. However, in older or existing projects, you may need to switch this on manually before anything will be sent to customers. After that, you can customize the survey question. Click directly on the survey question text and edit the wording so it matches your team's tone and support style. For example, you might use something like, "How satisfied were you with our support?" or "How would you rate your experience with our help desk?" Keep the wording clear and easy to understand, since this is the question customers will see when they rate their experience. Once you're happy with it, save the question. Now let's look at how the survey gets sent. Open a customer ticket, complete the required work, and then move the ticket to Done or to your project's resolved status. Once the request is completed, Jira Service Management automatically sends the customer a notification that includes the CSAT survey. That means the survey is tied directly to the completed support experience, which helps you collect feedback at the right moment. From the customer's side, they can open the survey from the email notification, choose a satisfaction rating, add written feedback if they want to, and then submit the response. Their feedback is saved directly in the service project, making it easy for your team to review. Finally, to view the results, go back into your service project and open Reports. From there, open the Satisfaction Report. In this report, you can review your average satisfaction score, individual customer ratings, customer comments, and overall satisfaction trends. This gives you a clear view of how your support team is performing and where improvements may be needed.